So let's see how to make some powdered sugar at home, which you can use for many of our baking recipes. Now ensure that your mixer pot is completely dry as well as the cover. And on the mixer pot, we're going to use the blitz function, the one which I'm pointing out to. This is mostly in our Indian mixers. So, or the ones that we use to make milkshakes, not the one in which we grind chutneys or masalas. So we're going to use that function. Now I'm going to first put the sugar into my mixer pot, and then I'm going to use the blitz function like this, and that also for like hardly not even half a second. So just blitz, blitz, stop, blitz, stop, blitz, stop, like this. Don't do it in a continuous motion because then the heat of the mixer gets transferred and you get more of a pasty kind of consistency. So our powdered sugar has been ground, but we have to go through a very important step, and that is sifting it or sieving it. So you'll see, first I'm going to pour it into a bowl and then I'm just going to run it through my sift or sieve, and you will see that there's so much of sugar that hasn't been ground at all. So we're going to transfer that back into our mixer pot, and then we're going to put the remaining, sift that too. And at the side, I've just made my cashew nut powder. So I've just shared a recipe. You can go and check it out. I'll leave a link below. And then after grinding it again, this is how our powdered sugar should be. That is, very light and clear, so that all our whatever you bake comes out fantastic.
Friends, I hope you liked today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshatas Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.